This is my unboxing of the Nike Air Foamposite ones. I just got these in. They're size 9.5. They're pretty sick. Good detail. Also comes with the orange laces. I like the logo at the bottom being orange, and then the inside too, the sole being orange. Alright, I'll throw these orange laces on and then take another video so you guys can see what it looks like after. And I'll put a before and after picture in too for you. So this is just a little side to side comparison. Orange laces. And the white laces. So this is them after with the orange laces on. I think they look so much better. I think it just connects all the colors, the logos and everything. I don't know if I said in the first part of this video, but I picked these up for $180 and they're normally $230, so I got like 50 bucks off, so it wasn't bad at all. Pretty sweet. I like them. Yeah. Subscribe if you want more sneaker reviews. I'm gonna be getting some more hopefully soon. So yeah, let me know. Stay tuned. Bye.